Introducing the brand new YEEDI S20 Infinity with Omni Cyclone Station. With the industry's first Power Boost technology, S20 Infinity triggers instant battery recharge with every mop wash, restores 6% in 3 minutes, and delivers the first truly robotic perpetual run. Osmo Roller 2.0 with Upgrade True Edge effortlessly removes every stubborn stain. Blast Solution unleashes true vacuuming. With the first ever True Pass system, S20 achieves 100% crossover rate. And with the industry-leading Omni Cyclone Station, more innovations beyond imagination. YEEDI S20 Infinity. Always powered, always fresh, always clean.